Hey guys, my name is Shaun VanWeelden. I'm going to be talking to you today about generating Lego brick mosaics using computer applications. First of all, I'm going to start out with a little bit about me and kind of where I'm coming from with this project. So I'm a freshman in computer engineering from Pella, Iowa. I love to stay busy here on campus. I'm involved with the Society of International Engineers, First Lego League planning team, the International Business Club, and the publicity co-chair for E-Week, and I'm very involved in our ASME student chapter here. So my Lego background is very varied and diverse. I always loved Legos, just never wanted to stop playing with them as a kid. So my favorite things to build are towers, bridges, robotics, jewelry, mosaics, small furniture, and all kinds of other stuff. So some examples of some Lego mosaics is this guy over here and the Star Wars one. Both of them are obviously ranging very much in complexity, but both are perfectly good examples of what can be done with the Lego mosaic. So my past mosaics, as I'm going to show you now, this Iowa State one is currently in my dorm room actually, it's really fun. So this President Obama one, that's the first one I ever made, just kind of practice on. And then this one coming up was actually my senior picture in high school last year, that was really fun. So how do you make all these mosaics? Pretty much the problem is that there's no easy and free way to make a mosaic out of Lego bricks. To create the mosaic now you need to be really good at Photoshop, deal with limited software online, have money. So the best software won't give you an instruction manual, so that's kind of bad. The goals of my project were twofold. First off, I wanted to make an application that would convert an image on your computer to a Lego mosaic, and to give you the optimized building instructions. And I wanted to create a web application with that and release it to the world. So now we're going to talk about I'll give you an overview of my actual mosaic generator. It's written in MATLAB, if you guys are familiar with that. There's a lot of image processing and creative work with the matrices to get the desired result here. So we'll go into how the program works now. Yeah, now. Alrighty. So we load an image from the computer, then we resize the image, convert it to the Lego colors, grid out the image, and then make the instruction manual itself, and give you the part count you need to build it. So it's pretty cool. So we're going to talk about loading an image now. You load any type of image, JPEG, GIF, PNG file, it all works. Black and white and color also work. And the first thing it does is convert it to an RGB format, so what the matrix is. So after that, we resize the image, pretty much however big you want it to be out of Legos. So let's say you want a 64 by 64 Lego thing, and resize it 64 by 64 pixels. And this image still looks good because it's kind of compromised the color of the pixels. Now we convert it to the Lego colors. And you can kind of see it looks pretty bad, but we'll get there. And so we use a pre-built algorithm to kind of match it to the Lego colors, and that's why it doesn't look so good anymore. But now we'll do some touching up. There's no easy way to do it right now. That's what I'm working on. I use Microsoft Paint, and I'm hoping to use a basic photo editor later. But you can see it looks a lot nicer now than it did before. And so, yeah, that's where we're at with that. Next part is to grid out the image. This kind of serves as what the Lego mosaic will look like when you build it. Pretty much, and also you use like cross-stitching or embroidery and stuff like that. So all kinds of applications you can use this for, so it's really cool. So the next part is making the instruction manual. Pretty much I have an algorithm that I wrote that prioritizes what pieces to use to minimize the cost and part count. And so it rearranges the grid lines accordingly to make the instructions. And so the current problem I'm facing with it is resizing really kind of screws it up with it makes different colors when it resizes this. That's the problem. And then also just kind of making it all come together and all the random dots go away is my big focus right now. So I also have a business side of it. It's hoping to launch a business with it over the next summer. I realized a lot of opportunities to produce quite a bit of revenue with it. And I won the ISU Business Pitch Competition and finished in the top 4 for the ISU Business Plan Competition. So I'm building a lot of excitement with this. Like I said, I won the overall best pitch thing, and I'm on the front page of the Daily. About 3 weeks ago, that was pretty fun. Right now I'm doing an interview with MathWorks, which is a global distribution company. So my next steps are to convert the prototype I've written in MATLAB to a web application, and then get the website up and running, work out the final logistical issues, and I want to really kind of publicize it and make it a pretty big deal that everybody can enjoy. So pretty much help is wanted, because I don't know how to do PHP yet or Flash, and so if you're interested in helping me, I would love to talk to you afterwards. And so it's a very fun project to work on, and I hope you guys really enjoyed our presentation. So thank you guys very much.